In November 2023, Romania faced one of the most devastating snowstorms in its history. Nicknamed Havoc, the blizzard swept through the country, bringing chaos and destruction to countless areas. To Americans, this may seem like a distant event, but the devastating scale of this storm is a sobering reminder of nature's wrath. Let's find out what happened during those few cold days, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the World Today channel to support us. Thank you. On a seemingly normal Sunday, heavy snowfall covered large areas of Romania, including major cities such as Bucharest, Tulcea, and Constanta. But not only is the snow troublesome, but there are also violent winds that come with it. Winds gusted up to 140 kilometers per h, 87 miles per hour, breaking trees and throwing debris into vehicles, causing many accidents. Roads were quickly closed as visibility dropped to near zero, while power lines collapsed and uprooted trees left entire areas without power. The Romanian government quickly issued a red weather warning, signaling extreme danger, especially in coastal areas. Throughout the day, the situation worsened, and the warnings were extended to include districts such as Alama and Karasi, where snowstorm conditions brought life to a standstill. Some areas see winds reaching more than 110 kilometers per h, 68 miles per hour, especially in mountainous areas. People struggle with snow, burying roads and making travel impossible. Temperatures drop as low as 6 degrees Celsius, 43 degrees Fahrenheit, turning Romania into an icy wasteland. As the authorities were trying to control the situation, the storm continued to strike relentlessly. Railways in areas such as Tulcea and Constanta remained closed, paralyzing traffic. Rescuers fought tirelessly to clear the snow, restore power, and rescue trapped residents. The devastation of the storm was widespread, with the agricultural sector significantly affected as crops were buried under thick snow and freezing temperatures destroyed what was left. After that, farmers faced great losses when they assessed the damage to their livelihoods. How do you feel here? Please leave your opinion in the comment section for us to discuss. Cities, including the capital Bucharest, have suffered widespread power outages, leaving hundreds of thousands of residents living in the dark. Schools and businesses were forced to close, while the transportation network was disturbed. Airports are closed, trains are delayed or canceled, and even the smallest streets are impassable. The ripple effect goes far beyond the immediate chaos. Romania's economy suffers, with the loss of working days and damage to agriculture leading to significant financial losses. Throughout the challenging period, the Romanian people have shown incredible resilience. Communities have banded together, helping each other clear the snow, share food, and ensure safety. Volunteers and rescuers have worked together, providing shelter for displaced people and providing essential necessities to those in need, especially in remote areas. However, the impact of the storm is not limited to humans. Wildlife and natural habitats also face severe disruptions, forcing conservationists to monitor long-term environmental consequences. The snowstorm Havoc in November 2023 is a powerful reminder of how vulnerable we are to the wrath of nature, no matter where we live. Whether it's a hurricane in the United States or a snowstorm in Romania, extreme weather events are becoming more frequent, emphasizing the urgency of community preparedness and support. In the face of such adversity, Romania's resilience and joint efforts are an inspiring example of how to overcome nature's most devastating challenges. But as we reflect on this storm, it also raises an important question: whether we are really prepared for future extreme weather events.